So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, ang gagawin ko na natin ngayon is di tayo gagawa ng mga challenge. Gagawa tayo ng reaction video sa bagong release album ni Lady Gaga at ni Ariana Grande. So, before that, intro muna tayo. So, welcome back again. So, gagawa tayo ng reaction video kung gaano ba kagaling kumanta si Ariana Grande at gaano ba kagaling kumanta si Lady Gaga, kung bakit sikat na sikat yung kanta na ngayon. So, let's find out. Disclaimer lang, I don't own this video. So, hindi tayo makapiright ni Google, ni YouTube. Dahil patay tayo sa YouTube pag nakapiright tayo. Sikat tong kanta to ngayon. Sikat tong kanta ngayon. Rain on Me. Rain on me. When you're strong.
Gago!
So, let's start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang galing sumayo ni Lady Gaga. Ang ganda niya rin ang ganda. I like his long hair. Long hair. Parang Sailor Moon yung buhok ni Ariana Grande at ni Lady Gaga. Para sila magkamukha. So, rain on me. Rain on me. Parang masarap pakinggan itong pag maliligo. Rain on me. Rain on me. Rain.
Gago!
Rain on me. Rain on me. So, Lady Gaga na Ariana Grande. Actually, I'm a fan of Ariana Grande because of her voice na high pitch. Always high pitch. Then, Lady Gaga, intruder alert, intruder. Napakita ng legs, napakita ng legs. Napakita ng legs, ang puti ng legs. Hindi na ang puti.
So, rain on me. Sana tayo ibigay yung copyright ni YouTube. I don't own this video. I'll just give my reaction because it was so famous on YouTube now. It also have nice piece about mas gusto ko yung part na yung nagsisig the knife framing yung parang mamakaligaga yung sa legs niya magkakatugtog na dito pag naliligo. Nasa feeling, rain on me, rain on me, rain on me, rain on me then. Parodi natin balikan.
Ask for a free ride. I only ask you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up. You showed me nothing else. It's falling down on me. Water like misery.
Di ba man, parang totoo yung
It's falling
nakatarak na knife sa paa niya,
I heard it rain on me.
legs niya.
At least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I don't think I'm alive. At least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me.
Yung pagtalon-talon ni Lady Gaga. I like Lady Gaga's nail. Yung taas. Ang cute ni Ariana.
Nobody's innocent. Oh, but at least we try. Gotta live my truth, not keep it bottled in. So I don't lose my mind. Yeah, I can feel it on my skin. It's coming down on me. Teardrops on my face. Water like misery. Better watch I blame my sins. It's coming down on me. Let it wash away. I'll be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain.
Bakyo ka lagi ni.
I'll be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain on me.
I like the eyes of Ariana Grande yung white dito.
I'll be your galaxy. I'm
Yung mataas na buhok.
rain on me, tsunami.
Oh, the sky.
Your galaxy.
Oh, the sky.
Rain
Rain on me. Break, break, rain on me. Ang daming tattoo ni I like the leg tattoo of Lady Gaga.
me.
So yun na yung video. And all I can say is it was nice. It was nice hearing that song while taking a bath, taking a shower. It's nice to hear that song while you're bored. You just play it. It will be nice then. I like the part na yung buhok ni Ariana at ni Lady Gaga ang taas parang si Sailor Moon. And that's all I can say. So, comment down below if may gusto kayong react or challenge na gagawin ko. So, disclaimer ulit, I don't own this video. Then, sana di tayong makapiright ni YouTube sa ginawa natin ngayon. Then, please, if you want to hear Rain on Me, just go to the Spotify to hear the music, or else you go to YouTube. So, that's all. And naniniwala sa kasabihang everything happens for a reason. So, that's all. Just click the notification bell below and click subscribe to be notified if may next akong video o may gagawin akong video bago. So, that's all. Bye!